at JTech. We're going to go over a few basic electrical tests. We're going to start off with a voltage test. Now, typically, you want to do that with your battery separated from the others. Otherwise, you're going to get a read of your entire bank. As you can see, I already disconnected the cables earlier. So we're just going to go ahead and hop right into this test. Now, remember, batteries are DC voltage, not AC, so you're going to have to make sure you have it set right. Sorry about that, a little meter issues. So we're looking at 10.3 volts. Typically at this time we can go ahead, remove the battery from the system, charge it up, and do an amp test, but since tonight we're just going over how to do these tests, we're going to worry about that later. So that's just a basic voltage test right there. Next step, I'm going to show you how to do a parasitic draw test. This is a good way to find out what's making your battery go dead at night. Like if you're coming home, it's usually because of something. Typically for a parasitic draw test, you're going to leave your key off with your vehicle, and you're going to have to put yourself into series with your system. Mind you, never, ever, ever do this with your vehicle actually running. So we're looking at a 0.06 amp parasitic draw. It's really, really, really good. That means there's next to nothing really using any power on this one. So that's a really good sign. Usually you're looking for 0.5 amps or less. The lower the better usually. So, with those two tests done that require you to break apart the battery bank, I'm going to show you next how to do a resistance check. Now, when you're checking resistance, you want no power to the section that you're testing. Driver told us that they were having some issues with their multi-wire connection. So we're going to see what the resistance is here. And move that back now that I'm ready in every other way. We're looking at 1.3 ohms on this. Yeah, that's a little high. Usually you're looking for, as well, half a 0.5 ohms or less. Given that we've got that much resistance, pretty sure we can tell them you might want to change out this multi-wire. Another way to find that sort of thing is to do what's called a voltage drop check, and I'm about to show you how to do that. Now for this to have power, you have to turn the key, so give me just a second.
Oversight, load testing, positive first and negative first and positive.
Sometimes you need a hand with doing these, there's nothing wrong with that. Oftentimes you can also get what you need just by loosening up the bulb a little bit and then pinching your lead in. We're getting 8.9, so yeah, that shows that high resistance that we were seeing earlier in the test, so it's a really high voltage drop here. Again, another reason to go ahead and change out this cable. So that's voltage drop, amperage, and resistance. Thank you for checking in.